Hi all, welcome to my channel, My Living Diary. Today we are going to make a very simple recipe, that is chicken mandi. Now we'll take the chicken and we'll marinate the chicken in the following ingredients, that is bay leaf, peppercorns, cinnamon. Now we'll be adding chicken Maggi cube. This is the main ingredient of this recipe. And then we'll be adding garam masala powder, half tablespoon. Also pepper powder, half tablespoon. If you want more, you can add more. Now turmeric powder, half tablespoon. And then salt as per your taste. And we'll be adding noodles masala. If you don't have noodles masala, you can add more chicken cubes, Maggi chicken cubes, or Arabic masala, Mandi masala, which is available. Now we'll mix it properly and keep it aside for half an hour. Now we'll boil the rice. I have taken basmati rice. I have soaked it for half an hour and I'll be putting it into the hot water. Also, I'll be adding the ingredients, which is lemon juice of half lemon. Again, the whole spices, bay leaf, peppercorns and cinnamon. Also the dried lemon. And one more piece of chicken Maggi cube. And then salt as per your taste. We'll mix it well and close the lid. We'll boil it for few minutes. It should be half boiled, not fully. Now we will take the cooker and we'll be adding the marinated chicken. We'll layer it properly in the cooker. I haven't kept the cooker in the flame. We'll be keeping it later. Now I have spread the chicken properly. Now we will be adding oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. And then we will be adding boiled basmati rice. We'll layer it properly upon the chicken. This is why we have boiled it half, because it will cook properly in the cooker. Now we have layered it upon the chicken. We will spread it properly. We'll spread it properly and we'll be adding garam masala powder upon the rice. Also the kasuri methi, which I have roasted it in a pan. And then we'll close the lid. We'll put it into the flame, in a high flame, very high flame, for 1 whistle. After 1 whistle, we have to switch off the flame. And then when it is cooled, we'll mix it well. And then our chicken mandi is ready. It's very easy to make. If you like it, please try it and let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching.